Hey there, curious explorers. Have you ever wondered why ice cubes are so hard, water is splashy, and steam just disappears into the air? That's because they're all made of matter, just like you, me, and pretty much everything around us. Matter comes in different states. And today, I'm talking about the big three solids, liquids, and gases. First up, solids. Solids like your favorite toy or a crunchy apple have a shape that doesn't change. That's because their particles are packed super tight, like best friends in a group hug. Next, let's check out liquids. Imagine pouring a glass of juice. It takes the shape of your cup but can spill all over the place. Liquids have particles that move around a little, so they flow and can't hold their own shape. Now for gas, think about bubbles or the air you breathe. Gases are wild. Their particles zoom around everywhere, filling up any space they can find. That's why when you open a soda, the bubbles go whoosh and escape. But here's a fun secret. Matter can change from one state to another. Heat up ice and it melts into water. Heat up water and it turns into steam. It's like magic, but it's really just science. So next time you drink water or see fog outside, remember, you're seeing matter in action. Keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next adventure. Bye.